Hey everyone, hope y'all are doing well. Hope everyone's staying safe out there. So I've got here a Supra key safe. Um, don't know if any or many of you have seen these before, but they're pretty popular. I don't see them that often, but they're like a key safe realtor lockbox type deal. Um, I've actually seen more that are mounted to doors. This one actually has a hasp up there to hang it from a doorknob. But it's kind of a neat locking mechanism. It's kind of like a tubular lock, but it's got these little cutouts in here where the pins are. And actually, I think they're more like wafers than pins because they go kind of in a U shape where this here is also part of the wafer. And you can just push down in the center and get the whole thing to retract. So this is just like picking a tubular lock. The hard part about this guy is tension. So I actually cut this tubular tension wrench into the back of one of my probes. I'm actually going to do it to all of them now. That will allow me to tension this thing while I pick it. Previously, before I did that, I got this with the door off but locked and no key, so I had to pick it open and then pick it back closed. So the first thing I did was use this spanner bit and put it right there. But unfortunately, this is hardened tool steel and this is very soft brass, so I ended up doing some damage to it while picking it the first couple times. So I don't know if you can see this little arrow here. Yeah, a little bit. So the arrow will point straight up when it's locked and straight down when it's unlocked. But I found that I actually only have to pick this 2 positions to be able to remove this door. So I think I'm just going to do that to try to avoid any more damage. And it takes quite a while to get it picked anyway, so. Alright, I haven't picked it with this new tensioner yet, so hopefully this will work out. I guess we shall see. Sorry about the view, this is the absolute best I could come up with. Seem to have gotten a little turn on the core. I don't know if we are open or just almost there, but oh, there we go. Alright, there's one rotation. And yet we're not off yet, so let's go for another. Alright, there we go. That is enough to get that door off of there. So this is the back here, and this guy will actually be all the way down if I pick it one more time. But that's all you need to get into this thing. Here's a bit of a better shot of the core there. And you've got all of these what look like wafers. Let's see if you can, there you go. So you can see the inside part of it there. And down at the bottom of the whole thing actually retracts. Yep, that one got stuck. It's kind of interesting. They actually sit at different levels in there, and I wonder if you could somehow use that for decoding. But anyway, there you are, the Supra-C key safe. All right, all. Thanks a lot. Take care. Stay safe. Bye.